But the breath is a wonderful way for us to be in the present. The greatest challenge, I think, with anyone ever attempting meditation, especially for the first time, is that you're like, there's no way in the world I can shut my brain off. I can close my eyes and I'm just thinking about a million things all at once. So for many of us, it's difficult to just shut everything off. So the good news is that meditation doesn't mean you have to have a blank mind, okay? I find that focusing on a simple thing, like the breath, will just bring you in the present. And that's what mindfulness is about, right? It's just to be present without judgment, just observing and not thinking about the future, the past, just now. The beauty of this practice is that hopefully you like it, you find it very calming, so that you stay in it for a longer and longer period of time. And the longer you can sit in an unsupported posture, the more core endurance you're developing to stabilize your spine. So I'm not having to work my abs really hard or anything like that. I'm in a chair at a height where my pelvis can just naturally be in its upright posture, so I'm not straining to, lift myself up. It's just there. And now all I have to do is just have that gentle, low tone in my deepest abdominal muscles to keep me here. And I really believe that just that act, and augmented with some breathing exercises, can create the wonderful stability your body needs to help you throughout the day. And of course, as I mentioned, the core stabilization of just being here. The breathing exercises are excellent for being able to recruit some more muscles in the pelvic floor. The caution, of course, is whenever starting a breathing exercise, or pranayama is what we call it in yoga, is that your body needs to be toned enough so you can, sit in the posture, but also that your mind is calm and peaceful, and that you don't try to do breathing exercises that are beyond your capacity. Trying to jump right into breath of fire and all kinds of big breathing exercises can cause strain on your heart. It is not good for your body. So at any point when doing a breathing exercise, even if it's simple, you should always feel at ease. It should feel smooth and fluid, and there should be no strain. If you're struggling, you're trying to, press out all the air and you're just straining to do it, that is not of benefit to you, right? You have to have the patience to go at the appropriate pace. And that's why it's very important. You should have a trained teacher and who knows meditation and specifically pranayama, to make sure that you aren't tempted to go beyond your capacity, because I think it's kind of human nature to want to, get results faster, and you think by, maybe going bigger with the breath or whatever that you're going to get better results. But it is not healthy and it's not appropriate. So that is something I want to strongly emphasize here, is that the breath should always be smooth, soft, and fluid without strain. I will be introducing some components that incorporate a little bit more core activation. But even as we start to move into these, you're starting to feel, that's kind of a strain, just take a recovery breath. So if we we do some full breaths and you feel like that's a bit much, just go back to a nice, gentle tidal breath, just a soft, normal breath. Give yourself enough time to recover, and then you can maybe, pick it back up. Or maybe you're done for the day. That's okay. But you need to develop your awareness, your mindfulness of how you're feeling in your body. So the interoception to sense that this is a strain, this is too much, this is stressing me out, I'm fatigued, I'm losing my posture because I can't hold up. That is key. And if you're even able to do that, you have already accomplished the biggest goal. It's just being able to sense your body and to respect it and honor it.